Happy Sunday, everybody. My name is Elisha. I'm from Fiorella Bake Shop, and I'm here today in McCall's kitchen to make some party favors with you guys. These are the most elegant gift to give to your wedding guests, baby showers, bridal showers, basically for any festivity. Super easy, and I'm going to show you how simple they are. We're going to be using the McCall's buttercream today, sugar cookies, and some simple decoration to make your ideal gift. Before we get started, make sure to follow us on YouTube, subscribe, and like this video if you want to see more just like this. So we've got everything ready to go. I'm going to be using the 3.5-inch box by McCall's. It's nice and clear, and it comes with a gold insert, which I absolutely love because it's going to make it look even more elegant. We're all ready to go, so let's get started. So I've gone ahead and I've removed my insert from the box so that I can work on it easily. I've got my sugar cookies baked and ready to go. The nice thing about sugar cookies is that you can bake them in advance and then you can toss them into the freezer in an airtight container so you don't have to be baking them the week of. And then my McCall's buttercream is whipped and ready to go. Super easy to use and it's at the consistency that I like it. I'm going to show you guys how I put these cookie stacks together and then how we package them up. To go and use white today, but you can honestly color your buttercream to any color that you like that matches your theme. We wanted to keep it a little bit more neutral, so we're doing white buttercream and then ivory flowers with a pop of yellow flowers, and then white sprinkles and some gold sprinkles, and then my favorite, gold leaf, because this adds the perfect touch to anything. If you have a taller box, you can stack these a little bit higher, but we're going to be using this box today, so I only did 2 stacks of cookies, and I'm ready to add my flowers and all my decoration now. Some fillings. If you want it to be more fruity, you can cut up some strawberries, cut up some pineapple, and put it in the center so that when your guests get a bite, they get not only the sugar cookie and buttercream, but they get a nice fruit touch there too. The options are endless. There's so many ways you can customize these. I'm going to go in now with my gold foil, and I'm going to show you how I apply gold foil to this. Gold foil, you want to be really careful. You can easily ruin your sheet if you're too aggressive. Really gently scrape some gold foil away and then effortlessly apply it to your dessert. This looks amazing. I would love to receive this if I was attending a party. I think it's a perfect bite-sized dessert to take home and have with your coffee, and it looks super elegant too. Now I'm just going to show you how I pack it up, and then you can give it to your loved ones. So I'm going to start packing this up now. We've got our clear box ready to go. And then the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add a pretty bow to top it all off. We're going to carefully pick this up and just gracefully slide it in. This fits like a glove, honestly. It looks so cute in the box already. It's now time for the lid. How perfect is that? It looks so good in here. It just needs a bow for the finishing touch. I also made 2 different color options here that you guys can see. I did a blue one, which would be perfect for a baby shower, and then this peach and purple, which is perfect for a bridal shower. These are just different ways that you can customize the colors to your event. Because we're doing wedding today, I went with a very neutral palette, as you can see here. I'm just gonna add the bow and then we'll show you the final product. This looks amazing. I think you guys can all agree that this is the perfect gift that your guests would love. It's so cute. Like I said before, it's a perfect bite size, and the bow adds such a nice touch. The boxes come in so many different sizes, so you can choose one that matches your event best. This one was a 3.5-inch box, and we felt that this fit perfectly. If you guys love this video, make sure to comment below and let us know what else you guys want to see. We had so much fun making this together. Try this at home. Honestly, it was so simple using all the McCall's ingredients. Be sure to tag myself at Fiorella Bake Shop and McCall's, and see you guys in the next video.